2020 has been a surprisingly heartbreaking moment for all of us.
It was shocking and unexpected.
and challenging year.
It was all a roller coaster ride what we had.
With its ups and downs, and it has really taught us the true meaning of service.
What an extraordinary year. Just when we were getting ready to celebrate our 10th anniversary, borders closed and travel came to a complete standstill. But the pandemic couldn't stop our desire to travel. The fact that our audience has grown 100% this year means that we're all still dreaming the same dream. We want to get back out there, hit the road, take to the skies, and check into our favorite hotels again. Only this time we'll value it more than ever. The Readers Travel Awards 2020 is a celebration of the people of the travel industry. They're the ones that have kept things going. And what keeps them going? It's you. Thank you for your appreciation and support and for voting in such large numbers for your favorites. This year, the wins will mean more than ever. Despite the challenges, here we are celebrating the very best in travel as voted by you. Thousands of you voted for your favorites across 23 different categories through an online survey. Results, as always, were tabulated by the UK-based Market Management. We're grateful to all of you for your support and for reminding us why travel is so important. Please join me in congratulating all your winners.
My name is Ritu Bish and I'm a duty manager. I've been a part of IHCL family for almost 7 years now. So 2020 has been a year of reclamation for me. As an individual, I realized how much potential I have to rise up in the moment of crisis. Also, I felt privileged to be a part of an organization that has taken care of people in such difficult time. Thank you, the readers of Condé Nast Travelers, for choosing Taj Fort Aguada Resort and Spa as your favorite leisure hotel.
My name is Tanya Jain. I work in the team front office at the Oberoi, New Delhi. 2020 seemed like a normal year until the pandemic struck. When we came back to work, we had to adjust to the new normal. At the same time, curious and happy to know how things will unfold further. I thank all the readers of Condé Nast Traveler for choosing us as the favorite business hotel of India.
Hi, this is Mohammad Rafi, working as a duty manager with Khyber Resorts, Gulmarg, Kashmir. 2020 was a big disaster for all us, especially for tourism and travel industry. Going to the lockdown was going into the jail. The most satisfying part of my job is to interact with people. This award is much more to us than just the receipt of a prize. Finally, I would like to say thank you all the readers of the Coordinates Travelers for picking the Khyber Resorts as their favorite boutique hotel of the year.
मेरा नाम जेटू सिंह है। मैं सुजान शेरबाग में 20 साल से सर्विस में काम कर रहा हूं। हम कॉन्टिनेंट्स ट्रैवलर के आभारी हैं जो उन्होंने सुजान शेरबाग को भारत में पसंदीदा सफारी लॉज का पुरस्कार दिया है।
Namaste, I'm Anandita Dasgupta. I'm the Assistant Event Manager at the JW Marriott Missouri. Marriott is where I belong. I can be me effortlessly. And it gives me enough and more opportunities to grow. For those watching this video, see you soon at the Queen of Hills. Thank you readers of Continental Travelers for voting the JW Marriott Missouri Walnut Grove Resort and Spa the best wedding destination hotel in India.
Namaskar, my name is Chinmoy and I work as a spa therapist. This award means a lot to me and I feel so grateful to be a part of this luxurious spa team. Thank you readers of Containers Traveler for picking a spa as your favorite spa. Thank you.
Namaskar, I am Ayush Kaushik and have been working here for 3 years as a team coordinator in food and beverage services. Lockdown has had its ups and downs. It was good to be with family, but it was also concerning for all of us as the situation was unpredictable. It's a real pleasure to have been voted as the #1 destination spa yet again.
My name is Rasha. I am guest relations in Taj Exotica Resort and Spa Maldives. This year 2020 has been one of the most unexpected and unusual years. We've been in a lockdown for about 6 months. The day of the reopening of the resort, it has been a very happy day for all of us. I was also very happy to serve again the guests, since hospitality has been always my passion. Thank you so much, readers of Condé Nast Travelers, for choosing Taj Exotica Resort and Spa Maldives as your favorite overseas leisure hotel.